June 9th, 2012, Saturday, and we're on a nature walk, aren't we, Gracie? We're out to see nature. Nature walk. In fact, that doesn't mean eat the wildlife. Come on, Gracie, I'm following you. Come on, don't touch anything. Come on. Which what? Your what? Come on, Grace. Let's go. Come on, sweetheart.